What's the meaning of captain? Captain. Captain.
Captain. Captain. A captain is a person who commands or leads a group, team, or vessel. The term is commonly used in the context of naval or maritime operations and refers to someone who is responsible for the safe and efficient operation of a ship. Captains typically have extensive training and experience in navigation, leadership, and management. They must be able to make quick decisions under pressure and communicate effectively with their team. Overall, a captain is a respected and crucial role in many different fields, especially those that involve complex or high-risk activities.